Ma'am, today we are going to write something.
Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am, are you forgetting something?
Good morning,
Good morning,
everyone.
ma'am.
Put your mics off. Listen my instructions carefully. You all should have one circular object, pencil, eraser, and scale. So that activity we will do later on. And first we start our class. Let me wait 1 or 2 minutes more because children are still joining. Till that, you please be ready. Please put your mics off. Please be ready with the circular object and pencil, eraser and scale. Today we will start with one story first, the story which will be based on the circle. And then we will revise our parts of circle which we have already done. Dharya, can you tell me what are the parts of a circle?
Yes, ma'am. Circle, radius, circle, center,
Circle is the object, right? What are the parts of a circle?
radius, chord, center, diameter,
Okay.
and section. This much.
Okay. Lamha,
Ma'am, can I?
what is the center of a circle?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is the center of a circle?
Yeah, the center of the circle means the middle part of the circle.
Okay. And what is the radius of a circle, Samriddhi? Radius of a circle. Samriddhi has left. Prisha, yes, tell me. What is the radius of the circle?
A radius of a circle is the thing that starts from a starting point to the ending point. Means if we start from the top of the circle to the downer part of the circle, then it will be called as radius.
No.
A point to another point, that line goes, that passes with the center, is called radius.
Can anyone clearly explain me what is the radius? Please raise your hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yash. Can you please explain me what
Ma'am,
is
I can't
radius?
hear you. Ma'am, radius is half of diameter.
Radius is half of diameter. And how we draw the radius?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Which child is telling can't hear me?
Samriddhi.
Samriddhi, please log out and log in again. Any other children can hear me? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Am
I
I,
had log out and log in 4
Riva, am
times.
I audible to you? Riva, Lama, please ask Riva, am I audible?
Ma'am, may I ask her in the chat box? Ma'am, I also can't hear
Ask
you.
in the class only now. Just
Ma'am,
Riva,
listen.
yeah, ma'am.
Riva,
I don't think that Riva is able to hear us.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
she's not able to hear anyone.
So, ma'am, please write in the chat box so that she will able
Yeah.
to.
Catherine, ma'am, I can hear you, Rama too, but I can't hear Renu, ma'am.
Samriddhi, you log out and log in again.
Excuse me, ma'am, I had right log out and log in 5. Can you hear us?
Okay. Now I'm going to start with the story.
Ma'am, now you are audible.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Please put your mics off, my dear children.
ma'am, now I can't hear you.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can't hear.
Children, I want everyone's mic should be off. Kathy, ma'am, please guide me whether it is
It is audible.
and visible too.
Ma'am, it is audible.
Okay, please keep
Yes.
silence, children.
You can't switch off your mic.
Ma'am, please check someone's mic is on.
Yeah, I can't see who is it.
Children, please, it's a request to everyone. Put your mics off.
Now it's off.
And listen this audio and video carefully.
Buzz wants to draw a circle. Meenu, can you please give me your bangle? My bangle? For what?
This is the story, children, based on circle. Listen it carefully. You will enjoy it. Is this audible to everyone? Please show me thumbs up. Very good.
I am drawing a picture. I want to draw the sun. I need a bangle to trace a nice round sun. But Chinu, if you trace a circle for the sun with my bangle, you will get a big sun. I think you should use the cap of a bottle. That will be the right size for your sun drawing. Oh, you are right, Meenu. Let me use a bottle cap. Look, what a nice round sun I have. I will color it yellow now. Whenever I draw the sun, I like to color it orange. But I like yellow. Meenu, Chinu, listen. Sahil, Sheila, Gopi, Shama and Jitu have come to our house to play. Oh, that will be lots of fun. Come, let's all play. Sahil, why have you brought a tire? What do you do with this? I like to play with my tire. See, I have this small stick. I push my tire with this stick. I keep pushing it right from my home and it keeps rolling. I know it rolls because it is a round tire, just like my ball. It is also round. Okay, Sahil, keep your tire there. Let us all play a game together. Let's all sit in a circle and pass a ball. Grandma, you can sing a song. We'll keep passing the ball. When you stop singing, whoever has the ball has to do whatever the others ask him to.
Now, children, tell me which game they are going to play.
Passing
Very good. Okay, very good. Passing the parcel. But how we play this game, passing the parcel?
By singing song and passing. And when the song stops,
Wait a minute, there is
Anything you have.
Lakshya. Lakshya will tell me. Lakshya, switch on your mic. Lakshya, when you play this game, passing the parcel, Ayansh, please switch off your mic. Lakshya, you will tell me, when you play this passing the parcel game, how is the sitting arrangement?
Circle.
Why only in circle? Why can't we when we sit in the rectangle? Can we play this game when we sit in the rectangle?
No.
Can.
No,
Why
no,
not?
ma'am.
No. Vivan Patel, will you tell me why no? Why can't no that we can't play this game in the rectangle shape or sitting in a square shape? Why only in a circle shape? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Who will explain? Yes, Farzan.
Square shape also.
Yes, Farzan. Can you please
Your
explain me?
voice is breaking.
Farzan,
Ma'am, we can do in rectangle also.
can we play it in a rectangle?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the difference if we play in the rectangle and if we play in the circle?
Ma'am, it is the difference of shape.
Only of the difference of shape?
No, ma'am, and distance also.
Distance also. And what else, Trisha? Can you please explain me what is the difference when we play in the rectangle shape and when we play in the circle shape?
Ma'am, in the rectangle shape.
No, no, Prisha. Prisha, wait. Trisha, I said. Trisha will explain. Yes, Prisha. Trisha, sorry.
Then when we sit in a rectangle,
Again, you're not audible. Trisha, you're not audible. Trisha, you are not audible. Come closer to your mic.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking so much.
Okay, I will check, my dear. I will check.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Now, yes, I can hear you now. Wait a minute. I will. Yes. Now, can you please speak?
Then when we sit in rectangle, the corners of that, it takes.
Again, it is not audible. Can you please come little closer? Catherine, ma'am, Trisha is audible to you?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Trisha, no. Please check. Okay. Prisha, can you please explain?
Yes, ma'am. So, if we play the game in circular and rectangle shape, then we will play with a spear shape. So the sides and everything will not be same, and the
Yes.
passing will not do. The passing will be hard for us because the corners people sometimes they
Yes.
don't hit the ball and that all happens. So we can't play circular. We can't play in rectangle or square shape.
Yes, when we go and take handkerchief or what you take, and then also that also one game, no, you play in a circle.
Yes.
Yes, so when the corners are there, sides are there, so it will be not easy to play this game. Yes or no?
Yes, it
Yes.
will not
So
be.
yeah, I'll continue my story.
Okay, Grandma. We are sitting in a circle now. Let's start. But no cheating, Grandma. Turn that side.
Okay, okay. No cheating. But I will peep with one eye, and when the ball is with you, Chinu, I will stop singing.
Grandma, you don't have to peep with one eye. I will quietly come and whisper in your ears when the ball is with Chinu.
Okay, no cheating. Let's start the game now.
I can't
Twinkle,
listen.
twinkle, little star,
Now,
how I wonder what you
now it was
Yes,
audible.
ma'am.
are.
It
Okay.
is
Oh,
audible.
Grandma has stopped singing.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
ball is with Sahil. What should he do?
Sahil, can you hop like a frog?
Sahil, that was a nice frog hop. Grandma, let's start again.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond.
So this
in
is the way they are
sky.
playing the parcel
Meenu,
game.
Meenu's turn. Meenu, you have to sing like Lata Mangeshkar.
Lata Mangeshkar? How can anyone sing like her? She's the best.
Oh, Meenu, just try. Sing any of her songs.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीज पीड़ पराई जाने रे
So here the main concept is to explain you how to play the games in a circle, right?
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीज पीड़ पराई.
So now I take it little fast
That
that
was very sweet meaning. When our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, heard Lata Mangeshkar, he had tears in his eyes. She is very, very good.
Meenu, tell me, why are you all sitting in a circle?
That is how this game is played. It is easy to play the game when you are sitting in a circle. If we make a rectangle or a square, we cannot play as well as we can play sitting in a circle.
You played some other game also that day, sitting in a circle. What was that?
Oh, that one! We have to first sit in a circle. Then one person starts running.
now children, one by one, please tell me which other games you can play while sitting in a circle. Yes, Dhyan Dalal. Sit properly. Sit properly, Dhyan. Children, play. Yes, Prisha. Can you please tell
Ma'am,
me
can I tell?
which other games you can play when you are sitting in a circle?
Yes, ma'am. We can play ho
Kho.
in circles.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And Trisha, you?
And we can,
not sitting but standing in a circle.
Which game?
ma'am,
Vivan, wait.
phone.
Vivan, Guna, wait. Ayan, switch off your mic. Yes, Lamha, please tell me.
Ma'am, we have to stand in a circle.
Lamha, wait. Yes, Lamha.
Ma'am, once that day in the back month, I went to my village. So I was seeing some people playing grapes in the bunch.
Okay,
They were
how
sitting,
they? Yes.
yeah. Ma'am, they were sitting in a circle.
Okay.
They took a handkerchief.
Mhm.
And one person was saying grapes in a bunch. He was taking the handkerchief and walking around the circle where the people were sitting.
Okay.
And he said grapes of the bunch, grapes of the bunch. And the people who were sitting were saying that fox is running because that grapes and the fox story. That's why this is kind of that game. And if that person who is walking around, he throws the napkin on someone's back. Then if the person does not know that it is on his or her back,
Mhm.
then it is very fun. Then the person who was roaming with the napkin will take the napkin and will hit on his back till he sits on his plates again, doing 2 rounds. And if the person on his back he gets the napkin before he comes, ma'am, before he comes, before he comes, so he will take the napkin and hit the danner only.
That is the game. Now again you will see in the video they are going to play this game only by sitting in a circle. Just check.
Ma'am, I want to play another
I will
game.
come back to you again.
around the circle and drops a handkerchief behind
Lama,
anyone.
this is the game. Same game this
Then
is.
that person has to pick up the handkerchief and start
On his
running
back
to
then
catch
only.
the person
Yes.
who dropped the handkerchief. Again, you can drop the handkerchief behind anyone and pat them. They have to start running after picking up the handkerchief.
We keep running round and round. If the person who is to be caught sits in the empty place, then he escapes. It goes on like that.
Oh, that's
Now
a
it
nice
is
game.
right.
You
Yes.
also stand in a circle and play in school. Yes, our sports teacher makes us stand in a circle and throw the ball. Us in catch.
And my game is little bit like this
Hi.
only.
Okay,
What are
okay.
you doing?
Grandma, I am making a circle on the ground with this stick.
Now check, please.
We can
Mute your
all
mic.
stand on it and pass the ball. What have you drawn, Buzz? You call this a circle? What kind of shape is this? Grandma, Chinu is making fun of me.
Chinu, stop that. It is not easy to make a circle. Okay. Now all of you try to make a circle. Let us see if you can make it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you
Children,
send the recording because
why
there was a
don't you
network issue. I
also
can't
try
hear you
and make
properly.
a circle? You can make
You
it
please pay
with a
attention here.
on the ground like Minu and Chinu. Or you can make a circle in your notebook with your pencil. Okay. Begin all of you. Draw it slowly and carefully. I will wait for you.
See, they are drawing the circle without
Grandma,
taking any
this
object.
is my circle. It doesn't look good.
I don't think even my circle is good also. My circle also doesn't look like a proper circle. Grandma, look at Chinu's circle. Even his circle is not good. He was making fun of me. Buzz, but it is better than yours. But Grandma, how can we make a good circle on the ground?
I will tell you how to make a circle. Chinu, go get that small rope lying near the couch. Thank you. Now, let me tie a small stick to both the ends. Thank you, Raja. Thank you, Buzz. Let me tie tightly now.
Hey guys, today we are trying Adapted Mind. I'm so excited to try this game. I've heard
Now, I will place one stick on the ground like this, and then I will draw a circle with the other stick.
Oh, that's a perfect circle, Grandma. It looks so good.
Grandma, I noticed. The length of the rope is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. I learned this in school. But I did not know that I can make the circle with a rope like this.
Length of the radius? What does that mean?
But you know we measure a square or a rectangle with the scale. It is easy to know the length of the sides of these shapes.
Oh, yes. I have always wondered how to measure a circle.
But you never asked. You talk so much.
But sometimes you don't ask the important things. Okay, now tell me.
The measurement from the middle point of a circle up to its boundary is called the radius of the circle.
That means if the rope is longer, we can make a bigger circle. And if the rope is smaller, we can make a smaller circle. That's right.
So now you understood what is the radius of a circle?
Okay, ma'am. I got it.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's from the scale.
Yes.
Yes,
Check.
We have to measure. Yes. Which will give us.
So we can say it like this. The length of the radius of a bigger circle is more. The length of the radius of a smaller circle is less. And we can measure this also. Ninu, remember, our teacher taught us how to measure it.
Okay, let me get my ruler. Now, we will measure this rope Grandma made. It is 2 ruler lengths.
How long is it then? Look, this ruler is 30 centimeters long. We have to do 2 times 30 as the rope is 2 ruler lengths long.
So how much it will be?
Is
60.
Yes.
1 meter.
60.
Meter or centimeter?
Centimeter.
Yes, 60 centimeter.
multiplied by 30, which is 60. So the rope is 60 centimeters long. I know now. The radius of this circle is 60 centimeters long.
Now children,
Right.
you got the radius and that day we have
Total
learned,
will be 240 centimeters.
you have learned the radius is 60 centimeter and that day you have learned the diameter is just the double of the radius.
Then
So what will be the diameter?
120 centimeters.
120 centimeter. Yes. Our tomorrow class is based on how to find the diameter and how to find the radius. Let's continue.
16 to 60.
But the radius
Ma'am.
of this circle is
I will come back, children.
centimeters long.
Please
Why
put your
don't you
mics
all
off.
play a different game?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
You can find
I will
out
come
the
back, my dear.
radius of different circles that you see around you. You can take a measuring tape from my sewing box. Chinu, will you bring it?
Yes, Grandma. Come, let's go.
Just a minute, my dear. Yes.
Let us measure the wheel of our cycle now. It is
35 centimeters.
Now, let us find the radius of Papa's tractor wheels. It is 25 centimeters.
Look at your cow, Lakshmi, and its calf. They are tied to a pole with a rope. Lakshmi's rope is longer and the calf's rope is shorter.
Now, if we make the circle with cow's rope and if we make the circle with calf's rope, which circle will be bigger?
Of the cow's rope.
And which will be the smaller?
Of the cow's rope.
Yes.
Look at the calf. It's going round and round. It wants to be free. Look, the calf is making a circle. That's right, Buzz. The radius of that circle will be equal to the length of the rope. But how do you make a circle in your notebook in school, Meenu? Do you carry a small rope with you? Yes, we carry a small rope and a small stick.
Oh, Sahil, don't make fun of him. Come, I will show you my geometry box. Buzz, this is my geometry box. This is called a compass.
We will learn how to make a circle with the compass also.
Ma'am, I have made.
A compass?
Very good.
Oh, this side is very sharp. Yes, it has a sharp.
So we will do this story till here. We will continue it when we will learn how to make the circle with the compass. Now, I will revise. I will show you what we have learned about the chord, about radius, about the diameter. We will revise that with other video.
Ma'am, today no activity of this.
No, you just see.
Images of round objects. Here are some images of
We are
objects
revising it
that
what
we
we have
see
learned in our
your
past
day-to-day life.
lessons.
At first, a button, a clock, a cart wheel, bangles, and a coin. Now we will know about parts of a circle while considering this image. In this image, a cow is tied up with a peg by using a rope.
Children, no one will leave the class because I will take 5-10 minutes extra.
पैग को हिंदी में खूंटा भी कहा जाता है. Now, if the cow wants to eat the whole grass around the peg, it will make a circle in which the peg will be considered as the center of this circle, and rope will show the radius of this circle. And an important point about the radius is that the length of the radius is equal throughout the circle, being unaffected by the point from where it has been drawn.
See, from center to touching to the circumference of a circle, that is the radius, and it can be around the full circle.
And what is diameter? The diameter is an extended form of the radius at opposite side of its actual position. And an important
Diameter also passes from the center.
about diameter is that diameter divides a circle into two equal parts. I wanted to draw another diameter of this circle.
See, this line which is here, this is the diameter or this is something else? Can you please tell me what it is?
Ma'am, this is chord.
Children, what is the difference between the diameter and the chord?
Ma'am, the chord is always.
Wait, one child will only speak. Ayush, okay. Tell me what is the difference between the diameter and the chord?
Diameter will pass through the center, only then it will be diameter. And chord will never pass through the center.
Chord is a line segment, right? With two endpoints, and it is not compulsory that chord pass through the center. Is diameter a chord?
No.
Why not no?
Ma'am, because diameter will...
Chord is a longest, chord is a line segment, right? Chord is a line segment. Diameter is not a line segment. Diameter is also a line segment, right?
Yes.
So chord is also a line segment. Only yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, in the you have sent us the video of the in which we have to write the terms of the.
Yes.
Ma'am, in that you have in the video it was also shown that the chord is the short, the chord is the small line segment, and the diameter is the large.
Yes. So which is the longest chord in the circle?
Diameter.
Yes, diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter can be chord, but chord cannot be the diameter. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I'm again showing
I can
you.
see your presentation.
Yes, I will present it again.
But this line is not passing through the center.
See, this line is
So,
not passing
it is
through
not
the
the
center,
diameter.
so it is not the
Then what is
diameter.
it?
So what
It is a chord.
It is a, children, what it is? The second line. Chord. Yes. So just now I explained diameter will be chord. Can diameter be a chord?
No.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes. Diameter can be a chord. Is chord can be a diameter?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, because it is not.
The diameter is the
Okay.
longest chord of the circle. Can you see the moving hand, which is moving all around the circle, pointing towards the boundary of the circle? This boundary
This is a what? When we are pointing out the boundary. Circumference. Yes.
is called circumference. Points to remember. All radii of a circle.
See, radii means a plural of a radius. As I explained you before also, you can draw, stop there. You can draw many radius passing from the center and touch to the circumference of a circle. So the plural of radius, the plural form of radius is radii. So all radii of a circle are of equal length. A diameter is twice of a radius. These are the points to remember. If radius is 3 centimeter, what will be the diameter, children? Vivan Balchandani, can you answer me?
Ma'am, I heard out.
Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, the diameters, so we can draw so many diameters in a circle.
Yes.
So what is the plural form of diameter?
It's a diameter only, no plural form. Diameter is given.
Ma'am, the circle only has chords.
Yes, chord also circle. In circle only we draw the chord. Yes.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
square chord cannot come in square or rectangle.
You can draw in that also.
Ma'am,
But
I have
we
a
can
doubt.
call the, yes. Rudra, tell me.
Ma'am, if we draw radius in front, we draw upside and downside, then it shows that it is joined. So how will we know it is diameter or it is radius?
See, radius is only the half of a circle, right? Half of a diameter. Say from the center, when you draw a line segment, from the center, not from anywhere. From the center, when you draw a line segment touching to the circumference of a circle is called the radius. And when you extend that radius to the opposite side of that, that is called the diameter. Am I clear, Rudra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, I have a bangle here. If I say this is the yesterday, that day I show you one activity also. We made the circles with the papers and we found out what is the center of a circle. When you fold the pages into 4 equal parts and you find out what is the center of a circle. From the center of a circle, this line passing the line segment touching to the circumference of a circle is the radius. And when I extend that line to the opposite side, that is the diameter of a circle. And remember that diameter is always double of the radius. Am I clear to you all? And always we draw the circle with the radius. If we have the diameter given, for example, in question it is given that the diameter is 6 centimeter, draw a circle. Will you able to draw the circle with the diameter? No.
No,
You
ma'am,
first
you need radius.
Yes. So for radius, what you will do? You have to make the half of that diameter. So what is the half of 6 centimeter? Divide when you have the big numbers. So you divide it with the 2 and get the half of that number. Suppose if I say 30 centimeter is the diameter. Okay. So how you will draw the circle? Is it possible to draw the circle with the diameter? Yes, Lamha? Yes or no? Is it possible? Lamha, can you hear me? Is it possible to draw the circle with diameter?
No.
Okay, Arna? Arna, how you will draw the circle? With the diameter or with the radius? Arna Agarwal. Arna Agarwal, please answer me.
Ma'am, radius.
Radius. So how you will calculate the radius if the diameter is 30 centimeter? There is it properly. Arna, can you hear me? Samriddhi? Samriddhi?
Yeah, ma'am.
Samriddhi, if diameter is 30 centimeter, so how you will draw the circle?
Ma'am, what? Your voice is not coming.
If diameter is 30 centimeter, how you will draw the circle?
Ma'am, we will draw the bigger circle.
From diameter, is it possible to draw the circle?
No, ma'am.
No? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is not possible enough to draw the circle with diameter. First, we have to find the radius. If diameter is given, we have to find the radius of a circle. And then we can draw. So half of the diameter is always the radius. If the diameter is 30 centimeter, the radius will be 15 centimeter. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
If the diameter is 6 centimeter, the radius will be how much there here?
If the diameter is
6 centimeter, the radius will be
6.
Ma'am, 6.
6.
Gunav, the diameter is 6 centimeter. Yes. Very good.
Because
Yes.
it's a half.
Half. So we will draw the circle with the radius which is 3 centimeter. I will continue this tomorrow in my class. Please ready with the things which you were having today. Please ready with it tomorrow and we will continue the class tomorrow. Thank you, children.